bisitahin lang natin ngayon itong mga na-pour na concrete for our footing. This one poured na siya. So again, we only have 6 column footings here. Itong first 2 at the frontage of the building poured na. The 2 right behind them poured as well. Hindi pa sila tuyo, pero by tomorrow we will start the backfilling. And of course, itong dalawa, the rear, nabuhusan na rin sila. I'm stepping on the edge of the footing, and I'm not concerned that it might cave down kasi napakatibay po nito, no? The soil that we're standing on is of adobe. So all these columns, footings have already been poured with concrete. Our mini barracks is over here. May relocation kaming ginawa dito, ano, ng pipe. Used to be getting in the way of this column. Again, temporary supply lang naman po yan for the temporary barracks that we have over there. Again, that one is going to be the final permanent kitchen of this house. Pero ngayon dyan natutulog ang ating mga laborers at ito ang kanyang supply. And then we added another small barracks over there kasi dyan sila lilipat, no? By next week, we will start the renovation of that portion of the house to look like a kitchen. But of course, it's not going to look like a kitchen. By then, ayusin lang namin yung flooring, among other things. This is the mixture that we use to pour the concrete. It's a 1-bagger mixer, meaning isang set lamang na magagawa nito at a time. So once again, the first items to be poured in are the gravel and then tubig, followed by cement. Again, ang gravel ay 4 bags. Okay, after pouring in the 4 bags of gravel, we will pour in the water. After that, we have 1 bag of cement. And the same thing, right after that, we're going to pour in the water. And then right after that, we pour in 2 bags of sand. And then of course, we pour in the water. And then papaikutin lang siya. Okay, roughly 30 seconds. And that's it. Ipo-pour na siya dito sa ating palanggana. So again, 1 set of your mixture 1, 2, 4, which translates to 1 bag of cement, 2 bags of sand, and 4 bags of gravel. So it's starting to look like a house with sufficient imaginations. Alright, so we'll keep you posted for progress.